Margherita pizza is a classic. It's so simple and delicious. You can make it at home anytime. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a casual dinner. Everyone will love it. This recipe is easy to follow. It uses fresh ingredients. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 package active dry yeast, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, ½ cup tomato sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves and grated Parmesan cheese, which is optional. Making pizza dough is easier than you think. First, dissolve the sugar and yeast in warm water. Let it sit for a few minutes until it's foamy. In a large bowl, mix the flour and salt. Make a well in the center. Pour the yeast mixture and olive oil into the well. Mix everything together until it forms a dough. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover it with a clean towel. Let it rise for about an hour. Section 4. Prepping your pizza toppings. While the dough is rising, prepare your toppings. Pour the tomato sauce into a bowl, add salt and pepper to taste. Wash and dry the fresh basil leaves. You can tear them into smaller pieces or leave them whole. Grate the mozzarella cheese if you haven't already. Section 5. Baking and serving your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Transfer the rolled out dough to a baking sheet. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the dough. Sprinkle the mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Bake the pizza for 15 to 20 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven and top it with fresh basil leaves. Let the pizza cool slightly before slicing and serving. You can add a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. Enjoy!